In this tutorial, we are going to learn the features related to HD prescription on RenalGenie. But before that, do not forget to like our YouTube channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. 1. Adding new HD prescription. To enter HD prescription, let's go to the patient profile. Clicking on the patient names will redirect user to the patient profile. Select HD prescription from the side menu bar and click on the plus icon to add a new HD prescription. System will then open the dialysis prescription side window, and user may proceed with entering the required information related to the patient's HD prescription. User may notice that some of the information such as HD dialysate used, delivery method, and etc. has been filled with default value. Do take note that user are able to amend the value according to what has been prescribed to the patient accordingly. At the scheduling section, click on the Set Scheduling button to schedule this patient's HD. On the HD scheduling window, proceed to enter or select HD type, HD frequency, days, available slots, which shift user would like to slot in this patient, session duration, and HD prescription duration. User are also required to enter the start date for the HD schedule. Once done, click Save to proceed and system will redirect to the dialysis prescription window again. Proceed to click Save again to save the HD prescription and the schedules. Upon the successful operation, system will prompt message that the HD prescription has been added. We have now successfully added a new HD prescription for this patient. And we can now see the patient name is now available on today's patient page as per selected start date. 2. Editing HD prescription. When there is any changes to the HD prescription, user can always change the prescription. First, click on this arrow here to see the details of the existing HD prescription. Here user have 3 options: to edit, delete, or discontinue. To proceed with editing, click on the Edit button. System will open the dialysis prescription window and user may proceed with editing the required parameters. Here for example, let increase the dry weight for this patient to 57. And click Save. System prompt that HD prescription has been edited. With a new line of HD prescription is added with active status, and moving the previous HD prescription to discontinued status. 3. Deleting HD prescription. To delete HD prescription, click on the Delete button. System will prompt a confirmation window, where user may click on Delete to proceed with deletion. System prompt message that HD prescription has been deleted and we no longer see the HD prescription on this page. Do take note that HD prescription deletion is only possible for HD prescription in the active status, and no HD procedure has been performed with this prescription. 4. Discontinue HD prescription. Not only RenalGenie comes with a smart logic to discontinue a HD prescription when adding a new prescription, user are also able to manually discontinue a HD prescription. To discontinue HD prescription, click on the Discontinue button. At the confirmation box, click Discontinue to proceed. System will prompt a Discontinue HD prescription window where user are able to specify the reason for discontinuing. Again, click Discontinue. System display message that HD prescription has been discontinued. And user are able to see the entered reason of discontinuation recorded here. Thank you for watching. And here is some video suggestion for you to watch next.